Hi guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna make milk cookies.
Where you I will be.
The ingredients that we need are icing sugar, butter, egg, honey, tapioca starch, flour, and milk. First, let's pour the butter into the bowl. Then add the icing sugar. When you're done mixing, it's time to add the egg. Continue mixing until it's all mixed up together. After mixing, it's time to add the honey. And mix. Now let's add the tapioca starch. And mix. Now let's add the flour. Now it's time to add the milk. Now when it looks like this, it's time to get a piece, then roll it. Until it's a ball. When you're done rolling it, put it on a tray which is greased by oil or butter. Continue making balls until you finish with your dough. Now we're done baking the milk cookies. You will know when it's cooked when the bottom is brown. Let's try and taste it. It's good. Now let's put all of it into the jar. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe subscribe and like my video. Bye!